Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Adventure Time sandwich step by step. Start by gathering 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, banana, honey, and crisp bacon. Toast bread to golden brown, spread peanut butter on 1 slice, drizzle honey and layer banana slices evenly. Add crispy bacon, close sandwich, and press gently. Cut diagonally, serve warm with a glass of milk, and enjoy immediately today. Gather these simple ingredients for the Adventure Time sandwich: 2 slices of bread, 3 strips of bacon, peanut butter, 1 banana, and honey. Use 2 tablespoons of peanut butter for full flavor and 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness. Fry bacon until crisp and slice banana thinly. Toast bread lightly so it holds fillings without collapsing. Assemble quickly while bacon is warm for best texture and serve immediately. Quick reminder, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fun kitchen companion for music and timers. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one easily. It pairs well with cooking playlists and timers, making sandwich prep smoother today. Now let's get back to the video. Start by spreading peanut butter on 1 toasted slice and honey on the other to balance sweetness. Layer banana slices in a single even row, then add bacon strips across for crunch. Press sandwich gently to meld flavors, then cut diagonally for easy eating. Serve on a plate with napkins and a cold drink. Taste the warm, sweet, and salty contrast that makes this sandwich memorable and fun. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.